Hey guys, today we will see how to make tiny planet-like photos from your mobile. Like these. So for that, we will be needing this app called Google Can. The download link will be mentioned in the description below. Now let's open the app. Then swipe right, click on Photos pair. Now just click photos with the help of these guiding dots. Like this. Make sure that you cover all the dots and take a full 360 photo without missing any dot. Now click on the edit button and click on Tiny Planet. Now you can adjust the zoom and rotate the planet as you like. Now click on create and the photo will be saved in your gallery. Doesn't it look dope? Tell your thoughts in the comment section below. So we made this to this. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe. Please comment your thoughts in the comment section.